It's that time. DJI sent out invites to another release event coming up. What products will be released? Everything we know, coming right up. Hey, Felix here with Quadcopterguide, bringing you the best drone guides, reviews, and tips. On this channel, we do a lot of videos about rumors and leaks just like this one, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. But before we get started, I want to let you know about some Black Friday deals happening, and they start this week. We've also received some extra percentage off coupons, which will save you a little dough. If you'd like to find out how to get your hands on those, the coupons will first be sent out to the email list. If you'd like to snag one of those, make sure you're subscribed. Details in the description below. Even if you don't snag a coupon, there's going to be deals on Mavic Air, Spark, Tello, DJI Goggles Racing Edition, and also the Osmo Mobile 2. And here's the invitation that got sent out for the Because Life is Big event that DJI is holding in New York at the end of the month. In this case, we see a pool at the center of the image with kind of a camera iris in the center. The shape of the pool looks a heck of a lot like the Hasselblad camera from the Mavic 2 Pro. The illustration has kind of a party/travel feel to it. People's suitcases, binoculars, compass, and a boombox. The playful kind of party flair to this image makes me believe that we are not going to see a Phantom 5, unfortunately, but I hope I'm wrong. Another reason I don't think we're going to see a Phantom 5 is the invitations for those kinds of big drone launches are different than this one. You usually get a sneak peek at some of the sexy lines of the drone or a close-up of a part of the lens or camera with a really dark background so you can't tell what it is. That's just one of the reasons I don't think that we're going to get a Phantom 5. But let's talk about what's definitely coming. We're going to see a new compact Osmo with the name of Osmo Pocket, and I'll show you why I think that we're definitely getting this. Whenever a company like DJI releases a new product, they have to submit some filings to the FCC. In these filings, which are usually created by a third-party lab, the products that are to be released get tested to ensure that they only use the frequency bands which are declared, and also that it doesn't cause adverse effects to frequency bands which are not included, etc. In these filings, we sometimes get a sneak peek at some labels and images of the product. And as you can see here, we are looking at something that's not the Osmo Pocket, but an accessory for it. The Osmo Pocket wireless module in this case. We also see that it accepts power input at 2 amps. We also know it'll communicate via 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Low Energy version 3.0. Beyond that, what this wireless module will actually do, your guess is as good as mine. And the reason we're almost 100% sure that we're going to get a DJI Osmo Pocket, this right here. The documentation also lists which products the accessories were tested with, and here, clear as day, you can see DJI Osmo Pocket was used, model OT110. Here's a bit of an older image that leaked before the Mavic 2 Pro was released, and here we have the first glimpse of this Osmo Pocket type device. At first glance, the gimbal looks like a gimbal taken from the DJI Spark, most likely with a 3-axis gimbal, unlike the 2-axis which is on the Spark. And another hopefully, I hope we get 4K recording, otherwise we're stuck with 1080p like on the current Spark. We may of course see the release of the Spark 2, and if that gets upgraded, then it makes sense that this is upgraded as well. There's a built-in display on the front in this top area. It could show you a live camera feed, or more than likely, just an LCD style menu system showing you what recording mode is active at the time. In the middle, there's a lightning adapter. It looks like you can either plug this thing into your phone or tablet to do live recording or to transfer the files after you're done recording. I am assuming that there's going to be an adapter so you can have a micro USB or USB-C adapter as well. There's 2 buttons on the front, one an obvious record button and another button which is probably an OK or select button to switch through the menus. Head over to the blog linked in the description below to get all the final details I've gotten so far. I will post updates there more often than I will post videos, and I'm secretly hoping that we're going to get an Osmo with the Mavic 2 Pro camera, as the event is going to be 2 hours in length. I have a feeling they're going to announce more than just the Pocket Osmo. Question of the day: what would you like to see released at this event at the end of November? Let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned, subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. It really does help out. Thanks. There you have it, what we know of the November 28th Because Life is Big event from DJI. If you are interested in rumors and leaks like these, and also leaks for the much awaited Phantom 5, etc., be sure to subscribe to the email list on the blog, link below in the description. Email subscribers are held in the loop when it comes to leaks and rumors for new DJI products. And thanks for watching.